stateroom 8558, which is on deck 8 midship. This is a Oceanview Deluxe stateroom with a veranda. We are on the starboard side, which is what we wanted, because then we get to see, you know, Castaway Cay. We get to have a pretty view of being docked there. So as you first walk in the room here, over on our right is the first part of the bathroom. Disney Cruise Line has split bathrooms. So this portion right here is the toilet and a sink area. It has a nice kind of built-in trash can down there. It smells really nice in here. They have like some kind of, you know, smellitzer thing like they do in the parks. If I turn off this main light, you can see there's a night light for the evening. So when you're going to the restroom in the middle of the night, you don't have to worry about turning all the lights on, waking everybody else up. Down here is the other half of the bathroom. You can see we have a nice well-lit mirror here. And we have some storage down below. Absolutely beautiful tub shower combo. I mean, that is really, really gorgeous, particularly for a cruise ship. And then we have a full-length mirror here, which is really nice. Over here on the right-hand side, from me now, it's on your left when you walk in, we have our wardrobe space. Plenty of storage here. You slide these to open. There is our life preserver there. And then we have plenty of really deep shelving. There's your safe. More shelving down here. We come over here, slide that open. There's our famous Disney Cruise Line robes and some hanging space on this side. And then over here on this side, we have even more hanging storage. And then on this side, we have the ladder, which goes up to the bunk bed. So here is the main bed. We have an Aurora themed room. So you can see the fairies here, some woodland creatures. This bed is so pretty. I love the little coverlet on the end. There's the television. See, they've got some music playing for us. And then as we come over here, we have a upper berth here that will pull down. Our stateroom attendant will do that for us later. And then this sofa flips down and becomes a bed. You have a nice little curtain here to separate between the beds. We also have regular outlets as well as some USB. And then we have almost that, well, not an identical setup over here. We have different outlets set up over here, but still some USBs, and then a little bit of storage on each side of the bed. And then over here, you can see there is more storage, more lighting around this mirror. This is a nice little Bon Voyage gift of some Rice Krispie treats that were given to us. And then over here, there's more storage. In this drawer right here is where you're going to find your hair dryer if you're looking for that. And this drawer right here is actually a refrigerator. And then over here, more Aurora themed artwork. Give you a view of the room from this side. And now we're going to go out and experience this beautiful veranda. So there is a two-step safety feature with these verandas. So first you have to slide that over, and then you have to come over here and you have to pull this handle down. then the door will slide open, and then there is Port Canaveral. This is a pretty good sized balcony because it's kind of on a slant, just where we are on the ship. We've got kind of a little slanted railing there, so it gives us a little more space over here on this side. But I can come out here, get a beautiful view of Port Canaveral, and then if I come back over this way, a little loud out there obviously as they're moving around everybody's luggage. As I come back in this way, you can see another view of this beautiful room. And again, this is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with a veranda. We are on deck 8 on the starboard side midship.